Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where luxury meets horsepower and the road becomes the new definition of freedom. Today you're about to see something that takes the word motorhome and elevates it into a league of its own. This isn't just travel. This isn't just comfort. This is pure rolling luxury. And once you see the inside of the 2026 motorhome, you'll understand why it's being called a hotel, a mansion, and even a private jet all on wheels. From the outside, this beast doesn't just sit on the road, it dominates it. With a futuristic aerodynamic design, sharp LED signature lights, and gleaming chrome accents, it turns heads before it even starts moving. And with the press of a button, the expandable side panels glide outward, instantly transforming it into a spacious suite. It's the kind of reveal that feels like magic, doubling your living space right before your eyes. Step through the automatic door, and the living room welcomes you with the kind of elegance you'd expect from a luxury penthouse. Plush Italian leather seating, handcrafted wood accents, and a hidden 75-inch 4K smart TV that rises with a whisper. Surround sound fills the cabin, and the smart lighting system adapts to your every mood, romantic, modern, or cinematic at the touch of your voice. The kitchen is no less impressive, built for those who believe fine dining doesn't stop when you're on the road. With quartz countertops, a full-sized fridge, induction cooktop, built-in oven, and even a wine cooler. It's designed to handle both a quick snack and a chef-inspired feast. Every appliance is integrated seamlessly, so it feels both futuristic and homely at once. And then, the master bedroom. A king-sized bed with premium memory foam, adjustable settings, and panoramic windows offering stunning views wherever you park. Add in hidden storage, walk-in closets, and a projector built into the ceiling that transforms the space into a private cinema. It's comfort that rivals luxury resorts. The bathroom is pure indulgence with marble finishes, rainfall shower, heated flooring, and a spa-inspired design that makes it hard to believe you're in a vehicle at all. Imagine ending your day on the road with a luxury spa experience, right inside your own motorhome. Powering all of this is a hybrid diesel-electric system, paired with rooftop solar panels, giving you both range and sustainability. It's built not just for travel, but for independence, letting you take five-star living off-grid. And the price? It's jaw-dropping, multi-millions. But when you realize this machine combines a house, a yacht, and a jet in one, you begin to see why. This is freedom without compromise, luxury without limits. If you love this inside look, subscribe now to Auto Plus, where the future of travel rolls right into your screen.